on me.
Look at this Zoltar, very famous machine.
That was so nice.
That was nice, guys. Yeah, so what Ashley's talking about when we were in Curloha, and I wasn't vlogging it, but Sammy was her name? Sammy, yeah. So
like, we were in there looking and we were vlogging, and Hani was talking about the one in Mexico, right?
Cozumel, yeah.
Yeah, and he got a robe, and he did like carry loha, and she was like, oh, I'll do it for you, carry loha, but they don't do it at that one.
Alright, well, they usually give out like beads and stuff. Yeah, like a little bamboo necklace. So, but apparently they don't do it here, but that's the thing. So just know if you go normally, anywhere else you go, if you say it, they'll give you.
But we were looking at the stickers, and then we got like 4 of them, and she just let us take them, and she let us have them for free.
And they're usually $1 each, but, or free if you purchase something.
Yeah, if you pay for something, but she said the people that bought stuff didn't take them, so she just let us have them.
So Sammy, hit her up, guys.
Yeah,
she was super awesome. Yeah. So carry aloha.
So this used to be a library, a really nice library. But now they're turning it into, I think, a kid's place from the way it looks like.
Oh,
they're not done.
It's probably like a place you could have birthday parties. You probably rent it.
Oh, that'd be kind of cool.
Look inside. It's like, oh my God, that's so cute. Oh, tag us at Seaport Village. Oh, it has salmon stuff. I wonder if it's open. Yeah, it is.
Well, it's been open because it's
It looks like maybe you use that for Mom, maybe it's for birthday parties.
Oh, that is cool. Look at that. Yeah, those
That is so fun. Look, you could probably put a movie on there. That's a great place to have parties. I'd be like an ultimate kids party right there.
Whoa, man, I gotta watch my step.
Yeah, don't fall.
So we are now headed back. This is the, I don't know, I guess would you call it the backside? No, it's not really the backside. It's kind of the middle, right?
This is definitely the middle.
Right?
Like now they have
yeah. Oh, so yeah,
too.
there's a whole.
This parking here.
Yeah, Mike's the parking expert. He'll tell you.
Different parking. You pay, I think it's like $4 up or $2 up.
Oh, there he is.
And then after, but after so many hours, you have to start paying, which is like pricey.
Expensive. Honestly,
Yeah.
last
It's for
time
every
I
30
stayed,
minutes.
I stayed for like.
And they don't validate anymore.
I stayed for like 4
So they used to
hours.
validate.
Not anymore.
Ooh,
Look
damn.
do you remember this place?
Yeah, that's a lot. What's that?
The Harbor House?
Yes, we did a Valentine's Day there one time.
Oh, yeah.
Many moons ago.
I
many
hear
moons
a
ago.
lot
But
of
it was
stories
fun.
about that night.
No, it's still there. The Harbor House.
Oh.
Very good restaurant.
Mom, you
I
already
don't
said
know
all
how
the
things
kids.
like that are still in business.
Yeah. Oh, that thing? Which one?
The seal one?
Oh, a lot of people do. A lot of the tourists do that. They love it. A lot of the tourists love that.
Did you want to go to the top of Hyatt now? Or?
Yeah, let's walk that way. Yeah.
We're going to go do that real quick.
All right, let's go.
Oh, look at that
Oh,
car.
that's a nice car.
That's nice.
Looks like a Transformer.
I know. It's like a bumblebee. Like Bumblebee.
That's so cool.
Very nice. That's a nice.
Ooh,
A lotus.
Oh, so it's kind of like a bumblebee.
It's a lotus. Yeah.
Lotus is a
Oh, look.
flower.
Wait, oh,
So
just
they got the
kidding.
kids,
No.
so they come-
No, a lotus is a bee, isn't it?
No, that's a locust and that's a
Oh, yeah. That's right.
You are
Our bad.
So,
So, yeah, don't worry about
Ashley
what we
just has a lot
say.
of moments where she doesn't know
Yeah,
she's
let's just forget about all that.
Oh,
It was a cool car. We'll leave it at that.
yes.
See what we got
these
here.
all were businesses and now they're all closed.
Pretty sad, yeah. A lot of these, but you know what? This area is, yeah, that's the problem. I'm sure the lease is high here. It's San Diego, of course.
Yeah, but I
But,
think
you
that
know.
they're gonna probably bring in. They should bring in some more like mainstream brand like
Yeah,
stores.
you know.
You know, make it like a little mall, or they can honestly make it like an outlet. Probably would make money.
Oh wow, that would be kind of cool. Yeah.
Tea made out of plankton?
What?
Plankton
Tea
from
made-
SpongeBob. Insert plankton. Insert plankton here.
That's not nice. What did Plankton do to you? He just wanted the Krabby Patty fun.
I know. I need to do the editing like some of these other people do. Insert plankton here.
Oh my gosh, wait. Alex?
Bless you.
Allergies. I know, for real.
So we are walking towards the Hyatt. Art. For
The
those that are
Hyatt.
into art.
There's 2 parts of the Hyatt. So there's that side and there's this side. This side, though, you go to the very top.
Another
right
restroom
there in
here.
That big window.
If you guys need restrooms, another one back here right towards the Hyatt.
Oh,
Wyatt, the Hyatt. Oh, very cool. Look at those big old chairs.
They just put those there, that's cool.
That's
like
very awesome.
those. You know, they have those everywhere now. I think it's like a popular photo spot. But
Okay, so this is
So we're
the
going up
Hyatt.
there.
We're going all the way up there.
Yeah, there's 2 sides, but this side's the highest, and it's the Hyatt.
The highest. The Hyatt
Highest
is
part
the
of the Hyatt.
Say that. Say that 3 times.
Yeah, we can't even say that 3
fashion.
times.
So you got island fashion back here.
Oh yeah. Huh.
Got to have something.
What?